I'm not sure whether it is recorded or not. Let me show you the asset which I have created. I have created the asset 3000, and let me go on show you in AS03 slash in AS03, and I have created asset 3000 in company code. The description I have given is company car, and the cost center I have created is S4HA. And the depreciation areas, if we see, there is a book depreciation, and the depreciation calculation start date will be updated automatically once we acquire the asset. And the depreciation will be calculated from the date. And if we move on to the IFRS and group currency, these are the three depreciation areas which we have assigned in our chart of depreciation. Okay, this is let us now try to create the asset acquisition. F-90, and we try to give today's date, and we can see here in ECC, when we post an acquisition, the document type populated was AA, but we can see here the document type is KR. This is a new change in SAP S/4HANA. And currency, and let us enter. And also we can see the posting key is 31, and we have created vendor as business partner. And if we search with our company code, we can get the vendor which we created under our company code. So we have created two vendors. Okay, let us now give amount 5000 INR, and let us give another account, as 31 is a credit account, so we will give the asset debit asset, and the account is the asset which we have created recently. That should be 3000.
Type.
So this is company car, and transaction type we can use 100. External acquisition, and let us try to hit enter. We can see this is a new error which we are getting in SAP S/4HANA. Technical clearing account is not maintained for chart of accounts S4HA. So in order to get out of this error, we need to create a technical clearing account, and needs to be assigned to our company code configuration. So let us now try to create technical clearing account. Technical clearing account, as it is related to asset, it will be an balance sheet account FS00, and as we have created our assets GL with GL number with 2000 series, so already we have created one account. So we are selecting the 2001 and create. So the GL account type will be balance sheet account, and account group will be balance sheet account, and short text will be technical clearing account, and if we move on to control data, it is INR and should be reconciliation account type assets, and field status group for reconciliation accounts it will be Z067, and let us save. So the technical clearing account 2001 is created. So we have just created this, and now we need to assign this technical clearing account to our company code configuration. So now let us try to assign the technical clearing account. It is in financial accounting, asset accounting. In asset accounting it is an integration, right? We have to integrate that technical clearing account, so it is integration with general ledger accounting. And if we see here, technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. So here we define technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. So in this we will be adding a new entry for our chart of accounts. It is S4HA, and the account which we have created is 2001, and we save it. So we have saved it, and now let us try to post the acquisition. So now let us try to post the transaction again, and we can see the KR and the vendor 1000 and the amount 5000 INR, and the posting key 70, and the asset $3,000. Enter a transaction type 100. So now we don't see that error message. Let us try to simulate. Okay, I have to give the amount 5000, and let us try to simulate the document. So if we simulate it, now again we got account balance sheet account APC could not be found for area 01. So if we see, this configuration is a default configuration even in ECC. We have to assign all the GLs, what GL is required for APC, what GL is required for depreciation. We have to mention in the configuration step. Let us do that configuration. Let us create a balance sheet account for asset acquisition. So already we have created, we have to create a balance sheet account. So we will be creating 2002 and asset, it's a balance sheet account, and account group is balance sheet. So let us create the GL account for asset acquisition, and in control data I have selected as reconciliation assets, and let us save it. Enter description for language EN. Oh, sorry. It's an so it's an acquisition account, right? So cars and saved. Okay, now we try to assign this GL in the configuration 2002 /n spro ing asset accounting and integration with financial accounting, asset accounting, integration with general ledger accounting, and assign GL accounts. So here we will select the account determination of vehicles, which is so for this we are going to assign the GL account, and also GL account even for different ledger IFRS ledger. So 2002 and save it. Now let us try to post the acquisition F-90 and document date F4 F2 and vendor 1000 10,000 INR and asset $3,000. And so again, if we see, when we enter the asset acquisition, we can see that 2001 GL has been populated, that is technical clearing account. Before in ECC, the journal entry will be like debit asset and credit vendor, right? But here we will see how it will be done. 10,000 and let us now try to simulate it. I can see only line item showing and other line items, document number internal, 2 line items, debit, credit, 2001 asset, and where is vendor, other line items internal. simulate general ledger, simulate asset accounting. Okay. Let us see what does it do. Simulate general ledger. So asset. Here GL account is getting debited and the vendor account is getting credited. And if we see, okay, let me exit here. Now if I simulate asset accounting, the ledger group, the reference document, the posting key, (2001) and 2002. 1000 is the vendor. (2002) is acquisition and 2001 is technical clearing account. So technical clearing account, here it is debit and it is getting credited. And at last the acquisition account is getting debited and vendor is getting credited. So we can see this will be the accounting entry after we post this document. If we see, we have created 2001 GL as technical clearing account and 2002 as asset acquisition, and this is the vendor. So if we see one entry, it will get posted as vendor credit and acquisition means acquisition debit, and the technical clearing account is getting offset. So let us try to post this. So interval Z1 does not exist for object FBN1. Number ranges for posting the document does not exist. So let us create in number range for AS08/OAS08 with the interval Z1. Company code S4. This is asset number ranges. This is not asset posting number ranges. Okay, FBN1. Sorry, FBN1, and company code is S4 HA, and the intervals is Z1. You can see interval Z1 does not exist. Okay, let us insert a line. So Z1 and the document number. Just give the series 9300 and 93999 and save. And now let us try to post this, and the document was posted. If we see this document, and also we can see the document was posted with KR document type. Normally it will be posted with document type AA, but now in SAP S4 HANA it has posted with document type AR. So if we display the document, we can see the document has posted like this. Just we can see like technical clearing account, debit and vendor credit. So let us now understand the purpose of technical clearing account and how the document got posted with different valuation vouchers. So if we see the document was posted with two document types. One is with KR and another is with AA. So the KR document type is nothing but it is called as operation document. So technical clearing account. Okay, so let us see. In ECC the document was posting as debit asset and credit vendor, no ledgers, nothing. So all the values was getting derived from no ledger postings, but ledgers was there, but the values are getting derived from the leading ledger. So in S4 HANA we have two kinds of documents. One is operational document, which is KR, and the other is valuation specific document, which is AA. Okay, because why we need this kind of setup is because of real-time postings for ledgers. Okay, in ECC we are just posting only to the leading ledger, and all the values are getting derived from the posting ledgers to other ledgers or for the group currency, ever and everything. But now in SAP S4 HANA, for the ledgers we can post in real time for all the ledgers. we can post it in real time. So what has happened? So to post the documents in real time, they have created two-step process. One where it is an operation document and the valuation specific document. So for 0L ledger, it will post with the document type. KR document is common for both documents, for both ledgers. But AA document type will get posted once for 0L and once for IF. In order to post the real time, they have included this technical clearing account. Let us see how the document got posted. If we see here, this is a vendor account and this is a 2001. We have created as asset acquisition GL as 2002. 2001 we have created for technical clearing account. So we can see it is a technical clearing account with document type display document header. So the document type KR. If we move on and check, this is general ledger view. This is general ledger view. And if we go to the asset accounting view, okay, so let me entry view and asset accounting view. If we see this, we can see there are two document numbers. One is the general ledger view and other is asset. This is general ledger view. For this we have created the number range interval just now, that Z1 I guess. And if we see here, the vendor got credited and the asset, but with technical clearing account got debited. The same technical clearing account, if we see, this is India GAAP. If the same technical clearing account got credited and the asset now has debited. If we see here, we have IFRS accounting principle with document currency. We even have the IF was posted with different document number, and the KR document is same. So you find the difference. The KR document is 19 and zeros, and this is 93 and zeros, right? See this, India GAAP document currency, KR is 19 and zeros, but the asset accounting number is totally different. So both the documents are posting in real time. It's deriving values based on the ZL which we have seen it in new general ledger. It is not the case. So if we see this, so to make the different real time postings, they introduced this technical clearing account.